Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 16 on basic probability. In this lecture we will discuss one more question on basic probability which was asked in GTU Summer 2022 exam of the subject Applied Mathematics for Electrical Engineering. The question is, an equipment will function only if three components A, B and C are all working. That is, we have some equipment which is having three components A, B and C, and equipment can function only if all these three components A, B and C are working. The probability of component A's failure during 1 year is 5%. The probability of component B's failure during that 1 year is 15%. And the probability of component C's failure during that 1 year is 10%. What is the probability that the equipment will fail before the end of that year? So here we have to decide the probability that the equipment will fail before the end of the year. Now what is given? We are given three components A, B and C, and we are given the probabilities of failures of these three components. Probability of failure of component A is 5%, that for B is 15%, and probability of failure of C is 10%. So we have to decide that the equipment, we have to decide the probability that the equipment will fail before the end of the year. So this we will do in this way. We are asked to find out the probability that the equipment will fail before the end of the year, and we will find out the probability of complementary event of this event. The complementary event of this event, which is the equipment will fail before the end of the year, is the equipment will not fail or equipment will function before the end of the year. So we will decide the probability that the equipment will function before the end of the year. That will be the complementary event for this. We will decide this probability that equipment will not fail or equipment will function before the end of the year. So these two events, equipment will fail before the end of the year and equipment will function before the end of the year. These two events are complementary events of each other. So first we will decide the probability for this event, and probability of this event will be obtained by subtracting this probability from 1. So first we focus on finding the probability that equipment will function before the end of the year. Before that we write down, or we can write down in terms of events. We consider three events for three components. Suppose let capital E be the event that the component A will fail before the end of the year, or we can give this same name as capital A. Capital A be the event that component A will fail during the year or before the end of the year, or we will simply write that the component A will fail. Similarly, suppose B denote the event that component B will fail, and C denote the event that the component C will fail before the end of the year. And we are given the probabilities of these three events. Probability of A's failure is 5%, probability of B's failure is 15%, and probability of component C's failure is 10%. So we first write down that information about the probabilities of these three events. For component A, probability is 0.05. It is given that the probability of A's failure is 5%. Similarly, for component B, it is 15%. Therefore, probability of B is 0.15. And for component C, it is 10%. Therefore, probability of C is 0.10. And using these three events, we can decide the probabilities of complementary events of these three events. Complementary event of event A is that component A will not fail, or the component A will function. So we can write in this way: probability of A dash, that is probability that the component A will function before the end of the year. Probability of A dash, that is the component A will function, this is equal to 1 minus probability of A, and that is nothing but 1 minus 0.05, it is 0.95. Or we can write in this way: this is probability that component A will function is nothing but complementary event of event A. Event A is component A will fail. So A dash will be this event, the component A will function. So that we can obtain from the probability of A. Similarly, the probability that the component B will function, the component B will function, this is nothing but complementary event of the component B will fail, that is probability of B dash, and that is equal to 1 minus probability of B. Probability of B is given as 0.15. Let me check, it is 0.15. So it is 0.15, and 1 minus 0.15, that is 0.85. The probability that component B will function, this event is complementary event of this event, the component B will fail. Therefore, here we have written this probability is equal to probability of B dash, that is 1 minus probability of B, equal to 0.85. And similarly, we can write the probability that the component C will function, probability that the component C will function or will not fail, this is equal to probability of C dash, that is equal to 1 minus probability of C, and 1 minus 0.01, that is 0.90. Now we are interested in this probability that the equipment will function, and it is given that an equipment will function only if three components A, B and C are all working. That is, equipment will function if these three components are functioning or working. That is, equipment will function if and only if these three events occur, that is A dash occur, B dash occur and C dash occur. A dash means the component A will be working, B dash means the component B will be working, and C dash means component C will be working. And it is given that equipment will function only if all these three components are working. So event A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash means all the components are working. So intersection of these three events will give us the event that equipment will function. So the equipment will function, we can write that it is given that the equipment will function only if three components A, B and C are working if all three components A, B and C are working. This means that is, if this event occur, A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash, this event occurs. So we can find out the probability that the equipment will function by finding the probability of this event. So first we decide that probability that the equipment will function, probability that the equipment will function, this is equal to probability that A dash intersection B dash intersection C dash. Now these three events A dash, B dash and C dash are independent, that is, the working of component A does not depend on the working of remaining two components, and similarly. So we can write this is equal to product of their individual probabilities. Considering that these three events are independent, we can write this as probability of A dash times probability of B dash times probability of C dash. And here we have obtained all these probabilities. Probability of A dash, that is 0.95, probability of B dash is 0.85 and 0.90, 95, 85, 90, 0.95 into 0.85 into 0.90, and let me calculate this, and this turns out to be 0.72675. So this is the probability that the equipment will function, and it is 0.72675, and we are asked to find the probability that the equipment will fail before the end of the year. Now we find out that probability that the equipment will fail before the end of the year, this is equal to 1 minus probability that the equipment will not fail or equipment will function. The probability that equipment will function before the end of the year, and that probability I have obtained here, it is 0.72675. so I will subtract this 0.72675 from 1, and I find that it is 0.27325 up to 5 decimal places, or we can round off up to 2 decimal places also, it is 0.27. So this is the way how we can find out solution for this type of problems. Our required probability was that find the probability that the equipment will function before the end of the year. So for that, first we obtain the probability that the equipment will function. Here we are asked to find out the probability of equipment's failure before the end of the year, but first we have obtained the probability that equipment will function or equipment will work, and it is given that the equipment will work if all the components are working, and we are not given the probabilities of these components success, we are given the probabilities of their failure. So using these probabilities we find out the probabilities of equipments working. So probability that equipment component A will work is 1 minus 0.05 that we have obtained. Similarly, the probability that component B will function or work is 0.85 that we obtain by subtracting 0.15, and we obtain this probability that component C will work or function by subtracting 0.1 from the probability of component C's failure. So we find out probabilities of A dash, B dash and C dash, and it is given that equipment will function if all these components will be working. So for that we decide the probability of A dash intersection B dash intersection E dash using the fact that all these components are independently working. So these events are independent, therefore we can find out probability of intersection by multiplying their probabilities, and that gives us the probability that equipment will function. And finally we find the probability that equipment will fail by subtracting this probability of equipments working from 1, and we find that answer is 0.27. So this is not very hard question, we just have to understand what is given and how to use it to obtain the required probability. So this is main thing. It is given that equipment will function only if all three components occur. That means A dash, B dash and C dash occur. Therefore we have to take intersection. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.